Well, if you're looking for homes in the low to mid 400s, then I've got you covered today because I'm showing you two homes here between about the 440 price range and the 490s price range. This community is Westland Ranch in League City, and I'm excited to show you Hovnanian because Hovnanian is in the 60-foot section here. A few years ago, when they first started in this community, they were in the 70-foot section. So now there's a totally different product line here, different price points, different floor plans, and they're here and they've got homes, they've got inventory homes and lots to build on that are here and they're coming up. So if you're kind of in the 440s range, you're gonna possibly like the second home that I have to show. If you're in the 490s price point, you're gonna probably like this home that I have to show here because this is the Tuscaloosa plan that we're looking at now. So it kind of depends if you are between the 3 and the 5 bedrooms, but in this community with this product line, you have options here. So but this plan, the Tuscaloosa plan, has 5 bedrooms. So it's the largest home that Hovnanian has to offer here in their products. So 5 beds, 4.5 baths. There's a 3-car tandem garage for this one, and it's 3264 square feet. So we're gonna take a look inside, and one of the things that I love that Hovnanian does for this model in particular is they kind of show you the bare bones of what you can get with Hovnanian. They don't really do much that is embellished or outlandish or just completely out of reach for what you can do in your own home. They really make it to where you're seeing the actual home that you'd be getting. I like that they have this as the floor plan, as the model home, the Tuscaloosa plan, because it gets you seeing not only the biggest floor plan that Hovnanian offers, but also just a sense of what their 2 stories look like here. They have a mix of 1 and 2 stories here in this community, so it kind of lets you see everything. Whether you get a study or not, you can see what a study looks like and how it's set up here, like you see here. You can see the stairs. Some people end up changing their mind. They, start with a 2-story in mind, and then they actually end up going to a 1-story, or vice versa. And so, the cool thing with seeing these models is you kind of can start getting an idea of what you really want. You may come in knowing already what you want, and that's awesome too, but you really get to see how your own home would be set up. The kitchen is amazing here. As you can see, they show you with the built-ins, with an amazing setup for the range, vaulted ceilings, and this is it right here. So when you get in here and you really look at the full living and kitchen space, it's incredible. It's an amazing layout. They do a great job with their extended patios here in this Tuscaloosa plan. Like you can see, it's a big space back here. And you can even set this area up with a couple of different spaces in mind if you wanted to. They have a seating area here and then the dining space. Then I'm going to take you back to the back of the house and show you the primary bedroom. So it's got the tray ceilings up there, nice chandelier up there. They do have kind of that light green accent wall there. And now in all of their inventory homes, they have added these accent wall pieces to their front entrances, especially. They look really, really nice. So you'll see that in the inventory home that we see next, the 1-story. So stay tuned for that. But I think that's one of Hovnanian's amazing little touches they do in their homes is they actually put those little accent wall pieces in their entryways. Looks very nice. Great primary bathroom there. And then we're going to be whisked away to the 2nd floor. On the 2nd floor, we have 3 bedrooms and a loft area. So there is a part of it, like you can see here, that's open to below. And then you have a great big loft area here. And so you've got one side with 1 bedroom, and then the other side has 2 bedrooms. Good sized rooms here. So like you can see, you can split the room in half and create kind of a shared space, which is how they have it set up here, but really good room size here. I like the way they have it laid out there. So if you did need to have a shared space here, you can really get a sense of what it would look like. Back out to the loft area. We're gonna go to the other side past this catwalk area here, and then we've got the 2 bedrooms with a bathroom in the middle. Also a good sized room here. They have it set up with 1 bedroom, but I'm sure if you needed this room to have shared beds that you could fit them in here. Double sinks in the secondary bath here. Bright white tile, bright white cabinets and counters. Total of 5 bedrooms here. This is number 5. This is about the smallest room on this floor. Let me know what you think, and then stay tuned. We're on to the 1-story next. All right, take a look. This is the Barcelona plan. We're talking about 4 beds, 2 baths, 2383 square feet. It is a 1-story plan. As you can see, a really nice covered front porch there. One thing I think you'll notice about Hovnanian and the way they lay out their plans is you'll have a bedroom, maybe 2 bedrooms up in the front of the house, like you see here. And their living, kitchen, primary bedroom will all be in the back of the house. So as far as that goes, I think they lay out the floor plan really nice. I think it's just a nice way to separate out the bedrooms. So I would definitely say this is the bedroom, the secondary bedroom wing of the house. They're all kind of on one side. Let me know what you think about this one too. Hovnanian does not play around with their 1-story plans. They do great layouts. They are starting a couple of new communities over here on the southeast side. So if you're kind of looking around, let me know. But Westland Ranch here is just such a good community. I wanted to remind you of the amenities here, because this is just, it's still to this day, 3-4 years in, one of the premier communities around here. And it has to do with the fact that it's an environment. It's definitely a lifestyle here. So you've got a pool, pickleball courts. There's multiple playgrounds. They're even developing an elementary school here. You've got the home office in the middle, right before we get to the living area. And then it just opens wide up into that living, kitchen, dining area. Great plan. And so lots to do, lots to take advantage of, and not to mention your close proximity to 45 still. If you need to commute for work, if you're still on the southeast side for work anyway, it's really a great proximity to where you need to get, even if you're going downtown. You hop up right on 45. There's also a couple of other major freeways around here too. 99 is going to be a major thoroughfare here in a few years when that comes right through over here. They're still building out this side of 99, but it'll be just a massive bonus here when it gets fully finished out. So incredible kitchen here. Hovnanian does a really good job with incorporating the living and kitchen area into a cathedral type ceiling. So here they actually have lowered the ceiling, so it's a lower ceiling to be a little bit more intimate here in the kitchen area, and then it just opens up to that cathedral ceiling in the living area. I love that they separate it out like that. So with some homes, you'll see just a low ceiling all the way through the living and kitchen area. Sometimes you'll see the cathedral ceiling throughout the whole space. And then you'll see kind of a split like you have noticed here, where the living has the cathedral ceiling and the kitchen is lower, which is kind of nice. It gives you kind of a different feel from the kitchen to the living area. Last place we need to be is the primary bedroom here. Tray ceilings, light white. You can see here, this is an inventory home, and you see how on that wall they have done the accent, like wainscoting feature wall there, and they have been putting that in to all of their inventory homes. It's an amazing touch. Not every builder does that. In fact, most builders do not do that. So the fact they're doing that for all of their homes, it's an amazing added feature, and they do a great job with those as well. Let me know what you think about this plan. Which did you like better? Did you prefer the 2-story that we saw a minute ago, or do you actually like this 1-story? Let me know, and I will see you on the next video.